everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tres Maria's Tandem. Um, I'm gonna do unboxing for today. I received my order from Amazon. Yeah, I ordered this a week ago before the Black Friday, and I ordered few items, and I'm not sure what this is. So actually I ordered tarp, I ordered some basic stuff for camping. What else? I ordered a lot actually, and I don't know, maybe this is the tarp, could be the tarp, because I have ordered three kinds of tarp. There's a 15 by 20, 20 by 40, and this one is for, I think, I'm not sure, because I received an email that 3 of my orders already in shipment, and I'm not sure which one is this. I haven't checked my email yet. So I received this today, and I'm just curious, what is this? I actually ordered hunting knife as well. What else? I ordered headlamp. I ordered some snow shovel, and oh, I ordered as a water filter. What else? I totally forgot. I don't know. But I just want to open this box and see what is this. So I need a scissor. Jalan! Actually, when my husband received this box, he said, just open it. I said, nope, I'm gonna do an unboxing. I really don't know what is this. I know for sure this is one of my order. I think it's the tarp. To satisfy my hobbies. Nyeh. Actually, it's not what I expected. So, yep, this is the headlamp. So headlamp, I was expecting tarp. So this is the headlamp I ordered from Amazon. Okay, I don't know how much is this. And then water filter. Yeah, I ordered water filter. This is for our camping trip for spring. But I want to order it now. And then, yeah, oh, the cooking set. I actually have one of these now already, but I bought it for Nicholas. So at least when we will go for a hike, he has his own. And then my hunting knife. My hunting knife. So 4 items. So the tarp and some shovel that I ordered isn't arrived yet. So yeah, empty. So we have 4 to do unboxing. I didn't know that this is really long. So I'm gonna do unboxing for this shit. Because the last time we went camping, we do not really have a knife. We only have that the kitchen knife. So I ordered this. I think this is $50, $60. See? War Horse, and it's a mosey oak. This is actually huge. It's like, that is really good. Oh, one more that I ordered is the fire starter. Yeah, this is really good because there is a case for this. And I also ordered sharpener. This is actually good. And then you can put it on your belt. What is this? Oh, this is the... I know. It comes with a fire starter. So, fire starter. And one of the reviews shows there that this is for winter or any weather, extreme weather. Yeah, so I need to sharpen this. And look at the blade. Yeah, I have to double check how much I bought this one. I totally forgot. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this in my camping stuff. Yeah. Really good. This is really an outdoor knife, multi-purpose. Yeah. So we will use this for our camping trip, as I've said, in spring. Try that if it's really sharp. And then, yeah, this one is the water filter. Yeah. The first time we hike, we really have to carry like 4 liters of water, and it's really heavy. And 4 liters is not enough to go on a hike for both of us. So that is the reason why I ordered this water filter. Yeah. And then I have this headlamp. Again, I forgot how much I bought it. And I have to double check my receipt. It's not, there's no airway bill here. Yeah. So Yeah, this is the headlamp. I bought it 2 actually. Headlamp. So every time we will hike, we have a headlamp and we don't need a torch. This is really good, especially if you're carrying heavy bags. I'm so happy. I have to test this later. Put some battery. Yeah. And this is also adjustable. So one for me and one for Nicolas. Yeah, so LED headlamp. Yeah, so I need 3 AAA battery. So I will test this out later. Hopefully it works. Yeah, and then this is the cooking set. I already have one. The color is orange. The last time we hike, me and Nicolas shared for that. And then so I decided to buy another set. Yeah. Oh, same. I thought I ordered green. So it's the same. It comes with, yeah, it comes with this pan. And then this is the cooking set. And then this mesh. Okay. And what else? Oh, it comes with fork and spoon and the stove, pocket stove. Yeah. That's all, folks. So I can't wait to use this in the spring, or maybe you never know, if we decided to go on a camping trip, this, even if it's in cooler months, this will be very useful for us. Yeah. Actually, this one is a bit smaller compared to the one that I bought. Yeah. Because the one that I bought has a cup, a mug. Okay. So I thought it was a start. Now, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Bye.